Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the W sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The W sound is written by the letters U and A, like in the words quơ, múa, đũa, and it is the combination of the U sound and the sound. You can check out the U sound and the sound on my channel. To pronounce the W sound, first place the tip of the tongue on the low position behind the upper teeth and raise the back of the tongue very high. Round the lips and your mouth must be opened like a small tight circle. Then smoothly stretch the lips horizontally and make the back of the tongue a little bit lower. Now let's try to say the sound. W, W, W. So you can hear that when I'm pronouncing the W sound, I prolong the sound a little bit. So when you say the words with the W sound, you have to shorten the U sound and prolong the sound a little bit. Let's practice saying some words with the W sound. I'm going to say the word first, then you'll have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the word. The first word is quơ, quả, búa, mua, múa, vua, đua, đũa, đùa, chua, chúa, chùa, rùa, lúa, tua tủa, mua cua. Now let's try to say a sentence with many of the W sound. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm gonna say the sentence very, very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm gonna say the sentence with normal speed. Mua cua nấu canh chua. Now a little bit faster. Mua cua nấu canh chua. Now with normal speed. Mua cua nấu canh chua. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.